First and only on ABC 15, one driver's mistake and 6 cars end up bouncing off one another on the I-10. This is one of just a couple of videos that so many of you are fired up after you saw this. From tailgating to distracted driving, we are hearing your frustration and we're getting you answers. Here's ABC 15's Jason Valentine.
I'm incorporating my videos into the news clip to show that this happens on a daily basis, even in the slow lane. What about the distance rule?
This chain reaction crash video shot from the window of a long-haul trucker. He sees a lot of crazy stuff across the country, and yet, right here on the I-10 was the wildest ride he's witnessed.
What it is, people are distracted or they're following, their vehicles too close.
He may be right.
These tailgaters do not care about reaction time. No distance rule applied. This is very dangerous. Very dangerous.
Yes, took us for a ride, looking for the worst driving habits that get people in trouble.
Driving distracted, speed, following distance, unsafe lane usage, a general lack of courtesy towards one another on the roadway.